To everybody who doesn't believe in open source and having a SaaS, for us, it works really, really great. Like one thing that keeps coming up in sales calls is that people say like, hey, we want to use your cloud service, but we really like that it's open source. So in case anything happens, there's insurance, and also we can always look into the code. We really like the concept of federating data, allowing many clients to talk to many different data sources. The newest client on the block, it's AI. So I think what we see much more in the future is AI interacting with APIs, with data. And the best way to have AI talk to APIs is by having a schema. And GraphQL is super great at designing the schema. But at the same time, we very much double down on the idea of federation, but we are less and less attached to the idea of GraphQL. GraphQL, for us, it is one way to federate, but I think in the future we will see more ways of federating different data sources. A federated graph, it doesn't have to speak GraphQL, it can also speak REST, or maybe it speaks gRPC on the client side. On the backend side, we see more and more demand to connect AI to your graph, connect search services, REST APIs, SOAP. So we're heavily investing in making the graph more powerful. All of this under the umbrella of Cosmo, which means open source, Apache 2. We're absolutely against any sort of license change, or we don't want to have an enterprise version. We don't like that idea. If you look at our Cosmo monorepo, it's still the same thing like in the beginning, and it's very successful. I think our cloud has very reasonable pricing for the value you get. Our customers are happy. We're very happy with this business model. So to everybody who doesn't believe in open source and having a SaaS, for us, it works really, really great.